Looking for the perfect lighting to make your videos, photos, or streams stand out? Today, I'll show you the 3 best ring lights that deliver professional quality brightness and clarity. Let's get started. 1. Neewer Ring Light Kit. First up is the Neewer Ring Light Kit. This one is a favorite for content creators because it's super versatile. It comes with adjustable brightness, color filters, and even a sturdy stand. Perfect for makeup, photography, or TikTok videos. It's reliable and affordable. 2. Lume Cube Ring Light Pro. Next, the Lume Cube Ring Light Pro. If you want studio quality lighting with full control, this is the one. It features customizable color temperatures, high brightness levels, and can be controlled via an app. Great for YouTubers, streamers, or anyone who needs professional-grade lighting. 3. Razer Ring Light. Finally, the Razer Ring Light. Built especially for streamers and gamers, this one delivers consistent lighting that keeps you looking sharp on camera. It has 2 light modes, adjustable brightness, and is compact enough to fit right on your desk setup. And that's our list of the 3 best ring lights. Whether you're on a budget, want pro-level control, or need something streamer-friendly, there's a perfect choice here for you. Which one would you pick? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more top picks.